The reason you're not making money online is probably the same reason that kept me stuck 4 years ago. I kept overthinking and waiting for the right time. But let me tell you something, there is never a perfect time to start. There are just 4 complaints that you have, and I will break them down in this video. If you've been waiting for the sign to start making money online in your 40s, this is it. Let's get you on the path on making money online in your 40s, the best time of your life, and make them even better. The first complaint I kept hearing is, I am no expert. Well, you don't need to be an expert. You just have to be ahead of everyone else. And it's easy. If you have experience in any area, work area, your hobby, whatever you are interested in, you're already ahead of 90% of the people. You might still be thinking, I'm not an expert. Why would anybody listen to me? And I get it. I used to think the same way. Think it this way. We grew in an era where we needed to fix things and solve things ourselves. There was no Google. We needed to fix the VCR or do something to it, and we needed to read the manual and learn it ourselves. There were no YouTube tutorials in our time. Let me ask you something. How many times did you ask for advice for a family or a friend? And that's the same thing. You just need to be ahead of them. You need to have something you can give advice on. Rather be fitness or gardening or making money online or whatever you have experience with, and that's enough. That's enough to actually help people solve their problems and make money out of it. The reason this is working, because people just want someone to relate to, someone who has same experience, someone who is going from point A to point B, but he's already at the point B. For example, if you had a bad divorce or you have a bad divorce lawyer experience, you can share that. You can teach people who are just starting on their divorce journey to make better decisions and to help them avoid problems that you had. And here is your action point. Think about one area where you are better than somebody else. It could be something simple like organizing your garage or time management, or like a simple workout for people over 40 to lose belly fat. And remember, you've got more knowledge than you are giving the credit for it. Now it's time to share it with the others. The second complaint I hear all the time is, I have no audience. And trust me, I was at the same level as you. I would think, why would I make a party nobody will show up to? Well, the good news is everybody starts at zero. I started this YouTube channel 3 days ago. It's at 0 subscribers at the moment I'm recording this video, but I started because I know that if I don't start, it will stay at 0 subscribers and I will have no audience. But I will show you, especially on this YouTube channel, by documenting my journey on how to make money online, and things that I will be doing, that you can make money even with a small amount of followers or subscribers. The key is showing up consistently. If you show up, be relatable, like I said in the first complaint, teach people how to solve a problem, people will watch, people will subscribe. Just be real, be yourself. You don't need fancy equipment. Look at me, I'm glowing probably here with my forehead. Think back to your teenage years when you were watching a TV show, and it took weeks for you to just like get on it and be really like wanted to watch more. That's the same with you on social media. You just need to create content, imperfect actions, imperfect content, bad videos. One thing that it comes from that, you will learn, and each video will be better, and then you will grow an audience. The bottom line and the most important thing about that complaint is that you need to choose only one platform. Choose YouTube and stick to it, because you will burn out if you want to go to Instagram and TikTok and Facebook Reels and YouTube and everything, blog, whatever, you will burn out because you need to do a lot of content on all those platforms. So choose one platform and stick to it for a year, and you will get your audience and you will start selling things that you are promoting while talking about how to solve a certain problem. And that brings me to complaint number 3, which is I don't know what to sell. And that is the most common complaint. Okay, I know gardening, but what will I sell? I don't have anything to sell. I don't know what. You feel like you're standing in front of a buffet and you don't know where to start, what to eat first. Is it vegetables? Is it fruits? Desserts? Pancakes? But here is what helped me. You don't need to do something revolutionary. I like low-ticket products. Start with something simple, how to declutter your garage. Make an ebook on that and sell it for $7. Show your skills in organization and management and how to keep your garage clean after you decluttered it, which is a big problem for everybody. And if you can solve that and stick to solving that one problem, people will come and will buy from you. Think about it this way. When we were growing up, there was no way to Google things. You need to solve things yourself. We relied on tools, books, like, I don't know, advice from other people in order to help us solve a problem. And that's where you come in. It doesn't matter that people can Google, you can save them time. Everything is available online. But if you solve a specific problem, like how to lose belly fat for people over 40, and you show that you did it, you are over 40 and you don't have any belly fat anymore because of the exercise that you used, that will save time for people. They will not have to try this and try that. They will see that your method that you took works, and then they will buy your course for losing that belly fat. Action step for this complaint is to write down 3 problems you can solve or you have solved in your life. Like I said before, maybe you're good at gardening, maybe you're good at organizing the cleaning schedule in the house. Maybe you're good in doing something in a very small amount of time. Write down 3 problems you can solve and then pick one and create a small ebook. Accompany that ebook with a small checklist or a digital planner or a journal that people can take when they are trying to solve that problem. And you have few products you can sell, and I will explain that in details when we go and start actually this journey. The final complaint is I don't know which business model to use. Even when you say business model, it sounds very scary, but you can use, I think the two of the best business models are affiliate marketing, where you don't even have to create the product. So if you try to solve some problem in the gardening, you just need to Google gardening affiliate programs, apply and join one affiliate program and promote that through your content. But you can show people that you are doing some tips and tricks in gardening, and then say if you want to learn more, this is a step-by-step gardening course you can buy from the link in my profile or whatever, and you got sales and you get commissions. The other one is you create those ebooks or journals or mini courses, like 3-4 videos or a 5 days challenge. You can have I don't know, do 100 pull-ups, do 100 push-ups in 30 days, and you can challenge them, and they can go through and have a journal that, oh, we did it, and then you can upsell something like 30-day other fitness challenges or something. Whichever business model you take, being it affiliate marketing or low-ticket digital products way, you need to stick to that one thing. One of the things that people are struggling when they're starting to making money online is so-called shiny object syndrome. They try something, they do it for 30 days, they start despairing because there are no sales or there are no leads, and they see another shiny thing or some kind of a hype course you can be affiliate or for a hype product in your niche, and then you just go from one to another. Don't do that. Pick one product, stick to it for 1 year, promote it on one platform and target only one audience, and I guarantee that you will make sales. I cannot say in what time frame. It took me some time to get my first commission when I was starting affiliate marketing 4 years ago, but it started and then it just started to roll, and it's like a snowball effect. And at some point after 2 years I was making serious money a month. So you can do that too. Remember, this is not something that you will get rich overnight. You need to work, you have to stay consistent, but don't jump from product to product or from business model to business model. Stick to one thing and the results will come. So those are the 4 complaints that are holding you back. But here is the good news, they are all fixable. I gave you action points above on how to fix them. So go ahead, fix your 4 complaints and start today. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need a massive audience, you don't need to do like a big course with 14 modules. You can do a mini course in 10 days, you can record 3 videos, whatever. You just need to start with one small step. Like I started with this channel with the first video, and then this is the second video, and I will try to do 3 videos a week, which is a lot, but I will try to stay consistent and try to convey my experiences that I am doing in real life, in real time with you. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you can follow my journey. And remember, we Gen Xers are used to solve problems without Googling, reading the manual, reading the books, exploring the topic, and then solving the problems. We are not afraid of getting our hands dirty when it needs to solve a problem. So go solve one specific problem, pick one product, sell it, and your life will start to change gradually. And if you are ready to take this to the next level, you can watch next video, which is why you should even start an online business in your 40s.